Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios, and one card from the fairy tale oracle. So that may answer any doubts or questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. So watch till the end. So that comes at last, guys, after this general energy. Scorpio. So let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Wands in reverse, Two of Cups, and Seven of Wands in reverse. Scorpios. So, with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are going for some kind of a partnership. Maybe you are finding a new person, you love a new friendship, maybe, or it may be a business collaboration or teamwork in your career situation. So, some kind of a new beginning you are seeing today in your situation, guys, Scorpios, and maybe you have skills, talents, and you are putting in efforts, working with concentration. But no matter what, there are some troubles, maybe in your career or again in your personal life. You are embarrassed about something or you are anxious about something, maybe, guys, because something is not going as expected, or you are having some intuition that something is not right. It may be about this person you love or this friendship you have, or someone is having that intuition about you. So it may be this person you love, so they feel that they cannot trust you. So something is not right with you, something is missing in this love, in this connection, or maybe something is missing in the way you are behaving, talking. So some kind of worries, or you feel that you are not equal to them, maybe, guys, or they feel that they are not equal to you, they are not like you in any way. So they may feel embarrassed to be with you. Maybe they see you as a very talented and a skilled person. So that may be the reason that we have this energy, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Knight of Pentacles. So with this card in your relationship, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in love or in your life, personal life, maybe you have a clear cut idea what you need from this person you love. So you know what is your destination, what is your goal, and the way to reach those goals, and you have a particular idea how your life should be and whether this person will fit in your life. You have that clear knowledge and you are moving towards that. And maybe today, maybe for some of you, this person may not fit your ideas or ideals you have for that person. So that may be the reason for some confusion in this situation, guys, in this love. So this person, you see, they may not be your best fit, but it is love you have towards them, guys. So you are thinking and deciding today Scorpios. That is what I see, guys. So for your career situation, we have Six of Wands in reverse. So in your career situation, Scorpios, some kind of worries are there for you guys. Maybe because something is not right in your situation, uh, your expectations have gone wrong. Maybe you expected something and what you got is something else. So some kind of worries or apprehensions you have regarding your situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. So this may answer some questions you have about your situation, guys. So it is the dancing princesses, 12 dancing princesses, enchantment. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have beautiful dreams and goals, aspirations for yourself. Maybe today you are in some situation, you are in the verge of giving up some dreams for someone or some situation, maybe some growth in your career. If that is the case, you need to think clearly, guys, before you take up that new responsibility, whether it is worthy of you giving up those dreams and goals you have for yourself. And you need not fulfill other people's wishes or dreams. Maybe your parents or your siblings, they may have some dreams for you. You do not have any responsibility towards those dreams, but what you have for yourself, you need to work on that, guys. So you need to go for that clarity before you take up some important responsibility in your life today. So you are making some important choices today, maturing in your situation, having that experience, and maybe today you are finding the people with whom you can spend time with, spend quality time, maybe good friendship, a deep friendship with someone. It may be this person you love. So you are spending more time with more closer people. So a close group of friends instead of many friends with whom you cannot share anything. So some kind of transformation, the way you are, the way you handle yourself, or the way you go about your life. So that is what I see, guys, with this card for your oracle guidance. I hope this reading resonates, Scorpios, and that is a reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.